welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be talking about the history of a 350Z or the Fair Lady Z. So let's get straight into it. So when it came out in 2002, it was released in Japan. The 350Z came with 5 different packages: base, enthusiast, performance, track and touring. So my Fair Lady Z is a track model which comes with upgraded 18-inch alloys, comes with Brembo brakes, also comes with a little rear spoiler on the back, adding a little bit of downforce. So the original 350Z came with the VQ35DE engine, which is the engine that I've got. So this engine produces 287 brake horsepower with about 373 Newton meters of torque. So then in 2004, the Nissan 350Z Roadster was introduced. This is a electrical soft top version of the 350Z, as you can see, picture here. In 2005, a Grand Touring version of the Roadster was also introduced as a package that you could have onto it. This also came with a lot of extras like heated seats, electric seats, cruise control. So in 2005, Nissan had its 35th anniversary and it introduced a special addition to the 350Z. What they've done is they've revised the interior. They also changed the engine, which has now got a VQ35DE Revup. This Revup allows the rev range to be a little bit higher. I believe it goes up to about 7,000, which on the original DE it was about 6.5, and they managed to get 300 brake horsepower out of it. In the Revup model, they also revised the gearbox. So in the current gearbox, the one that I've got is the CD001. This gearbox was known for having problems with the synchros, and it was known for not being very good and having a lot of faults. They then introduced the CD009. This gearbox was made a lot more robust, lasts a lot longer, the gear shift's meant to be a lot smoother. 2007, they brought out the VQ35HR engine. This engine has a higher rev limiter again, going up to 7,500, and they also managed to push 306 brake horsepower out of it. These engines also fixed all the problems to do with oil consumption, which the Revup and the DE engines had. So in conclusion, with all of the engines, the 2002 to 2004 had the VQ35DE, 2005 and 2006 on the 35th anniversary and the GT models had the Revup engine, 2007, 2008, 2009 had the HR, which is the most revised, with the CD009 gearbox. I hope this video has just informed you a little bit about the history of the 350Z, and hopefully you've gained some knowledge that you didn't know before. If anything I've said is wrong, or if there's anything else that you feel I should have included, let me know down in the comment section. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. So just quickly taking a photo for the thumbnail.